Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Pix.Tones back with another Lightroom Mobile Preset video. This time I will show you how to get chocolate color tone to your photos. Also, if you like to join with our preset sharing Facebook group, then you can get free preset every day. So, link in the description. Also, you can download this preset free at our website www.Pix.Tones.com. So, without further ado, let's get started. First go to light section, then decrease exposure up to 0.5, then decrease highlights by 100 points, increase shadows by 100 points, reduce whites by 100 points, and also reduce blacks up to 45 points. Then go to curve mode, then you can adjust curve like this, but this is totally depends on your preference because you can adjust this curve as you like, so that you can get whatever you like. I finish like this. Then go to color mode. No need to change temperature. Then go to tint, increase up to 5 points. Then go to vibrance, increase up to 30 points. Also in saturation, decrease it up to by 30 points. Then go to color mix. In red color, reduce hue by 10 points, increase saturation by 30 points, also increase luminance by 20 points. Then go to orange color, reduce hue by 15 points, reduce saturation by 15 points, increase luminance by 35 points. Go to yellow color, decrease hue by 100 points, increase saturation by 25 points, also increase luminance by 15 points. Then go to green color, no need to change hue, decrease saturation and luminance by 100 points. Then go to cyan color, increase hue by 30 points, then increase saturation by 75 points. No need to change in luminance. Then go to blue color, no need to change hue, reduce saturation by 60 points, also reduce luminance by 25 points. Then go to purple, no need to change hue, increase saturation by 25 points, also no need to change luminance. Then go to magenta, no need to change hue, you can increase saturation by 25 points, also no need to change luminance. Then go to color grading. In highlight color wheel, you can increase hue up to 35 points and get the saturation in 20 points. Then go to effect section, increase clarity by 15 points and also increase DH by 25 points and reduce vignette by 10 points. Also increase feather up to 100 points. That's all in effect section. Finally, we have to do some changes in detail section. Increase sharpness by 15 points. Then increase noise reduction up to 25 points. Also increase color noise reduction by 25 points. So that's all guys. So I think we got some kind of a pretty good chocolate color tone to our image. You can see before and after. Then we save this preset. I'll give this name as chocolate. Then I'll select the preset group, my Pix.Tones group, and tap on check mark, then it is saved. Then we can add this our preset to new other images. You can see how it get new look in our other images. Let's try a couple of photos. This preset adds some kind of dark mood to your images. So you can see it will get some dark mode. So if you want, you can also adjust by other. If you want, you can adjust settings to get your preference. So I increase exposure a bit in this image to get some kind of light. Let's try on this. Yeah, you can see that how it changed. Let's add to this. This image comes with very beautiful colors. You can see before and after image. This is already applied. Let's see before and after. You can see how this preset add that chocolate brown tone into your images. You can play with these settings in the preset, then you can get whatever effect you want. I show you how to get this step by step, so you can adjust each step to get images you like. So that's all guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video throughout the time. So I think we can finish it here. Also, if you like for this video, click on thumbs up, and then if you liked, you can subscribe for this video to get future videos like this in this tutorial. Also, you can download this preset in our website www.Pix.Tones.com. There is a community who's sharing various kind of Lightroom presets in. So you can join with our Facebook group, free preset sharing group. Link is in the description. So until you meet with next video, peace.